Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I actually didn't get a bag, I got a pair of shoes. So I've done luxury unboxings in the past. I'll link some of them down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. But I haven't done a dedicated unboxing, I think, since my Chanel bag back in like May. Usually I just do like my bag unboxings in vlogs now. Like in my 22nd birthday haul, I did a bag unboxing. And then one of my most recent vlogs, I did another Louis Vuitton bag unboxing. And then in my Christmas haul, I just did a Prada teddy, or is that what it's called? Like teddy bag unboxing. So I'll link those down below if you guys want to check out like my most recent bag unboxings. But I thought it would be fun to do a shoe unboxing for many reasons. One of them being that I'm pre-filming this video because I'm supposed to be going out of town and I didn't have a video to post for one of the days that I'm gonna be out of town, and thought that I would just post this for funsies. I don't know. Another reason why I wanted to do this is because I have looked on the internet everywhere for just a picture of these shoes. You know, I've got the stock photos on like Louis Vuitton and stuff, but like, guys, when I tell you I search YouTube, TikTok, the internet, Pinterest, Instagram, everywhere for these shoes, like I was like, somebody has to have these and posted a picture or video of them. No, I can't find it. Not to say that this is the first one that's gonna be out there for this specific type of shoe, but I just couldn't find it, okay? It's in this box. I can't show you the front because it's got my address on it, but I'm really excited. So if you guys want to see what pair of shoes I got from Louis Vuitton, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna give my little story on these shoes real quick. I'll throw up a timestamp of when I'm starting the unboxing, like right here if you just want to skip to it. But I thought this was gonna be a pretty quick video anyway, so I might as well throw in a little story time on why and how I got these shoes. Okay, so I saw these on the Louis Vuitton website not so long ago. I want to say like I saw them for the first time a couple weeks ago, but I didn't want to buy them just because they are very pricey and I've been buying a lot of luxury items recently. So I was like, you know what, like we're just gonna wait. I don't need that. Then I could not stop thinking about them. Like I was just thinking about how I could style them and how different and how unique they were and like how perfect they are for me personally. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get them. Well, actually I texted my CA first and I was like, hey, can you check and see if the store has these and I'll go like pick them up or whatever. And she's sick right now, so she's not working, she's not at the store, but she was like, I'll check for you on my phone. Sometimes like it won't let me, but they didn't have them in store, but I still could have like come in and ordered them from her. And I was like, okay, like I'll probably do that, like I'll let you know. And then I was like, why would I drive to Charlotte if I can get them online, you know, because they were available online at the time. So then that day I was like, okay, I'm just gonna order them since they're online, like they're available. I went to go look again because I had looked literally the day before and they were in stock in my size. So then the day that I texted my CA, they weren't available in my size. They were literally sold out of a 37, which is a 7. And I was like, great. But they had a 37.5, which is a 7.5. So I was like, okay, this sucks, but I guess I'm just gonna have to get the 7.5 because it looks like they're selling out really fast. Like all the sizes were sold out except like 3. So I was like, I'll just get a 7.5. If they don't fit, I'll return them to my store. Like it's fine, no big deal. So I go to order the 7.5 and like the Louis Vuitton website was like down. It was like not working. It was like really weird. And it wouldn't accept my payment. Like I tried like 5 times and it wasn't anything with my card. Like my bank knows at this point that I shop on Louis Vuitton and stuff, so like it wasn't them declining it. It said like my session has ended and I needed to log back in. That was the problem. It wasn't the payment, I don't think. So I did this like 5 times, took like an hour or 2 break, went back on the site. Whoa. Went back on the site and tried again, still didn't work, tried again, didn't work, you know, just kept doing this over and over all day. Finally, at night, I waited a couple more hours and I was like, okay, we're gonna try again. So I try again, and this time the 7 is back in stock. And I was like, okay, let's hope that this works. And it did. 5 minutes later, I looked back on the website and the 7's out of stock. So I was like, great, my order is gonna be canceled. Like this was just a glitch in the system. Like they don't really have a 7, like my order's gonna be canceled. Then that night, I got an email saying they shipped. So that's the little story. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. I would show you guys, but my address is on the box. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my. This is so pretty. Okay, so you get the little like receipt and everything. What's in this? I forget. Yeah, like just your like receipt, I guess. I'll look at that later. I'm too excited. Okay. Look how stunning. I love this packaging. I guess it's their like holiday packaging because normally there's a purple ribbon. And I like the little Louis in gold right here. Guys, I can't get over this packaging. Like I don't want to like open it, but we're gonna have to. I'm gonna like slide the ribbon off. I can always put it back on. What does this card say? Oh, it's a blank card. I'm very confused. Okay, a blank card was in this, but all right. Okay. Yay! So it came in individual dust bags, which my Louis Vuitton desert boots came in like one big dust bag. I don't know if they just like ran out. I think they were like low in packaging that day, I think is what she said. So this is really exciting. So in the box, there's this again. I don't know what this, oh, these are like the laces. Are these extra laces? I don't know. Find out. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm really nervous. Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Guys, these are even prettier in person than they are online. Oh my God. Look at the rhinestone mesh detailing. Are you kidding me? If you guys know me, you know I love rhinestones, as you guys can see by my nails. I'm a little obsessed. I love like rhinestone like detailing. I don't like a lot of rhinestones, but this is like the perfect amount. But you also know that I love white shoes. Like this would have been a dope shoe even without the rhinestone. Like I love how it's white and then it's got the black LV monogram print. Just like a little bit of black. I love, but the rhinestone detailing, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me? Guys, I could literally cry. It's even more stunning in person. Holy crap. Yeah, so those laces must have been just extra laces because they came already laced. I really hope these fit. I'm gonna try them on for you guys, of course, but I need to get a higher up sock because I don't want to get tan on these. I'll go get those and come right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I got my socks. Thanks to my best friend for getting these for me for Christmas. But I discovered something because I was showing these to my boyfriend when I went to go get the socks just now. And when I was showing him, I put the flash on. And like, oh my God. I really hope it's picking up on camera, like how stunning these are. Like what? Guys, like, I know this is dramatic, but this is probably the prettiest pair of shoes that I've ever owned. Like honestly, or ever seen. Like they remind me a little bit of the Dior oblique sneaker or whatever, which I actually own. But I like these like a lot better. First of all, because the rhinestones. Second of all, because I don't know anybody that has these. So I feel kind of like special, you know? Like I haven't seen these all over Instagram and I feel like I'm one of the first people to like get my hands on these. But look at the bottom. So dope. Okay, I'm gonna like try it on for you guys. The only bad thing about this shoe is that like it feels really delicate, like this part, and I'm like scared that I'm gonna like rip it. Let's like pray that these fit, you know? Ooh, on the inside it says Louis Vuitton in gold. Hope you guys can see that, I don't know. I have no idea how to even like tie these or anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to relace these because like, what is this? What's going on right here? I don't know. They fit. Like I said, I'm gonna have to like relace these. They're tough. They're a little tight in the toe box area, but it could be because I have like a thicker sock on. I don't know. Cause like my heel is like sliding up because they're not tied obviously. So I don't think I could have went up a size or a half size. I don't know. Yeah, my toe isn't even at the end of the toe box. So it would have been too big if I would have went up a size. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like relace these, but I'm so excited. Like, holy crap, these are stunning. So these are actually called the LV Squad sneaker boot in silver. They have so many squad sneaker boots, so many squad sneakers on the website, but these are like the silver version, I guess. So they're currently out of stock in every single size except 37.5, 38, and 36. I feel like those are pretty like basic sizes too, so that's good because normally I feel like shoes run out faster in the most like popular sizes. But yeah, so if you want these, run, get them. Wow, I have no words, literally no words. I can't wait to style these on my Instagram. I feel like this video was a mess because I've never done like a sneaker unboxing or like any video like this, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so I actually decided to lace them up. So well, I didn't, my boyfriend did. So yeah, but I just want to show you guys what they look like all laced up. I guess this is how I'll wear them. I'm not sure if I'll lace them. Yeah, I guess this is gonna be how I wear them, just in a little bow up top, normal. Kind of sucks though because when I put them on, I'm gonna have to like loosen all of the laces and, you know, because it's kind of tight, like I said, through here. But like I said, I could not have done a size up because my toe was right, oh, I just literally scratched it with my nail. Okay, I got it off. My toe was like right where the tip of my nail is. So yeah, I would say they run true to size, just a little narrow through here, but it could be because I haven't broken them in and it's pretty like stiff right here. But yeah, I also forgot to show you that there's LV symbol right there, and in the back it says Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is just overall a gorgeous sneaker and I'm scared to wear them, like terrified actually. So yeah, all right guys, so that is it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, which are on the screen, and also listed and linked in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think about this pair of sneakers. Please, I'd love to hear your comments down below. Do you like them? Are they a little too much? I don't know. I feel like these will be pretty easy to style just because they are black and white, you know? But oh my gosh, let's hope that I can style them because they were way too much money. I love you guys so, so much, and I will hopefully see you very, very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.